everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Dodge Demon. Awesome car, guys. Car's out of North Carolina. It's got a recent body up restoration within the last 3 years. North Carolina body. Great car, guys. Actually bought this down at a show down in Tennessee. Drove it for about 3 days in 90-degree heat. Awesome car, man. Beautiful paint. It's got the sublime green with all the black Demon accenting. You can see it's got the deck spoiler. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Buckets, console. The pop-out windows, rear windows work. And I'm telling you, just an awesome car to drive. It's got a great sounding 340 with a Mopar Performance camshaft in it. 727 Torqueflite with a 355 sure grip in the rear. It's got about a 2800 stall speed converter, and the car rips, man. I mean, it really does run out awesome. Good car, man. This is the kind of car that's kept us around for sorry guys, that's just a little drip of something. Kept us around for 41, going out 42 years here. See, the chrome and stainless is nice. They put new front and rear bumpers on it. Car is detailed up underneath the hood, gorgeous. It's got the Sizzler stripe package, a sport hood. Sorry guys, my guys just got a little, just few little water spots on it. Great car though. To get on my boy Eddie, he's just not wiping him down. Again, the pop-out rear windows work. These cars get dusty out here quick too. I guess it's not all his fault. I've been sitting here waiting for me to shoot this one. Again, rear deck spoiler. Leaving town tomorrow. Going a little stone peck there. Going to a show. Hopefully buy some more. Got about 4 or 5 already bought here. I've kind of posted quick on our Facebook page. Look how straight that car is down the sides. 15-inch Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It's got the rally wheels, a little bit bigger meats in the back. Got the chrome tips. I love this car, guys. I'm telling you, I drove it for 3 straight days. I probably put 150 miles on this car. This is a good car. And it's only got like 60-some thousand. That's supposed to be the original miles to the car, but there's only, you know, 1,500 miles on the car since it was restored. Pretty car. Dual sport mirrors. Again, this thing is detailed up nice underneath. Healthy 340, guys. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Does have power steering, manual brakes. It's been converted to electronic ignition. Again, 727 Torqueflite with about a 2800 stall speed converter. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. Just an outstanding running and driving car. No fender tag, guys. Here's a company you can have them made up. It's not like it's not a numbers car or anything like that. Just a little dust on that trim, guys. Pretty car. I love the stripes on it. And like I say, when we fire it up, man, it sounds awesome. Again, dual sport mirrors. Door handles have been replaced. Car's clean as can be. Interior is nice. I noticed a couple little splits there on the door pad. Black interior, bucket seats, console. Yeah, it's got the factory pop-out windows, buckets, console. He's got some carbon fiber trim on the top of it, which is pretty cool. Back seat's nice. Headliner's in great shape. That steering wheel's nice. It's got the Demon mats in it. The gauges are all real clean. 67,990 on your odometer. If I remember it, I think that doggone radio works. Look how cool that console is. Very cool. Dual exhaust. Again, 355 sure grip rear end. It's all body color in here. There is a jack for it in here. I think there's a spare tire too, if I remember right. All body color like it should be. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Got it up in the air. Got some pictures of the underside for you. Really nice, clean under there. Not a whole lot to nitpick. Little bit there. They must have those tightened a little too much. The rest of the door pads look great. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car, guys. I mean, it is very nice. You can see they recovered the seats. They're nice and padded, and very comfortable. Like I say, Ed and I, we cruised it down there. Dash is nice, or the dash pad, I should say. I know the original owner's manuals are in here as well. Aftermarket oil pressure gauge. I have Jordy fire it up here. Nice little cam to it. Go ahead, I'm gonna have you pin the hood. I got one hand, go ahead. All your gauges are functional. Hold good oil pressure down there. Again, the wood grain's nice. Even your backup lights work. Killer sounding 440, man. I know your blower motor works. Pop the radio. I think the radio on the
radio does work.
Yeah.
Right.
Factory AM radio does work. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Jordy couldn't give you a good shot. He had somebody in front of him. Have a great day, guys.